First, it should have state-of-art infrastructure. It should have good faculty, that is eligible, qualified and experienced faculty. And it should have proper research facilities and equipment and amenities, what you can call it as central facilities, research centers, what should have. So here, if we take up syllabus, if you take up the faculty resources, when you get good faculty, pay allowances. If you give good pay, students will get quality faculty, and if pay is not there, say for example in IITs, 7th pay scales was implemented long back, and in universities also pay scale, 7th pay scales is going up. And consolidated pay, if we give to them, he cannot able to leave